Hey guys, how's it going? How to add another account on Snapchat. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Snapchat app. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my Bitmoji at the top left corner. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just click on my settings gear, scroll a little bit down till you find that logout button. Just go ahead and click logout and just click on it. And basically, they will direct you to the outside the Snapchat. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click use another account, right? And you're gonna be able to add the username and the email and everything and the password. And basically you're gonna be able to add your own the new information. Basically you will see another account right here on the Snapchat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.